calling the remix. Spaghetti, spaghetti.
warwarere waswasa anihaye walwali walbahara qtiya an kudamesti walwali walbahara qtiya an kudamesti gonna never let you go welkayga atahe wacd waxaan ku mare waqtigeena dhowrane warwareeriga dhaafka wanaajiye wadnaheyga dhammaan wixii kastee
السلام عليكم ورحمة الله وبركاته. من أصحاب الخيمة خيالة وأصحابكم تحت أمر الله جماعة وأنا سنة جدا وأنت عرفت حياة الليدو سو عرفنا إن نسمينه فلوج ليدو بيت فلوج فيديو نسمينه ربنا سو مركاتا أنا وحين كالفوتا مجلس كاس عربي عرا ما أنت نشوف واقعي مركا حتى كرجعت لنا أصحابنا المسعودة وأصحابكم تحت أمر الله صدق هذا سيدي هذا كل جنس صدق هذا من أصحاب الخيمة خيالة وأصحابكم تحت أمر الله جمعة وناسر جمعة حلوة جمعة مبارك. Today we are in a little beach, so we have so many times, so many brothers live in Somalia. We stay in a little beach, we are taking time, we are enjoying on the sea, on the water, you know, just swimming. So after that, برجو حيدي لنا أصحاب ترمان ونود خبنا ما شاء الله ودنكو وبراقو وباشالنا بحاول حتى ودجنا أصحابته دميرنا دقوشين دمر ويجري وح محمله وح كله هرسل مله. So today وح أنا كتاجره هنا ولكن هارون أخونا ودنك أمريكا مريكان تكساس. هارون أقولنا brother keep going never give up. You understand what I'm saying? You know, keep going, never stop it. Because we know we are Somali actor lives in America. You are the one and only that I'm so proud. You know. Okay. However, I'm saying أصحاب العالمين. ولينا تيرسنا مانو. Yes. You are supporter Harun. Yes. Yes. Okay. You see, this all my people, they are so proud with you. They're supporting you. They are saying you Harun, keep going, never give up. They don't stop what you are doing. You are best actor. You are the one and only, bro. You know. Okay. See you. Hello guys. How are you? It's me, Diamond. Today I'm here in Little Beach. So. We are supporting small actor lives in America, Mr. Harun. Brother, we all support you. I'm saying keep going as you are. We are with you. Harun, Mr. Harun, you are number one. We support you, brother. Okay, what's up? How do you see Harun lives in America? Keep going, bro. Never give up. Keep going. Okay. Now I have another guy. One of supporter Harun, also how to say Harun? I'm sport. You sport Harun? Actor? Live in Somalia. Yes, America. So you say keep going? Never give up? And let's stop what you're doing, bro. Bye, bro. Okay, now we have another guy, but he doesn't know how to speak English, but he's going to speak Somali. So, حالك اللي هاي هارون وكل وقتك in America. American. So how do you see us Somalia? Because I think I'm quite a time of the Okay, now we have another guys, you guys, so we still support Harun lives in America and Texas. تورو واي This is Tiger from Somalia. He supports you, he likes you. He can't watch your movies. بالمنطقة صار brother produce سميسو بالدرجة سميسو cameraman everything. تكلكي brother Somalia وأمي شنتاي هارون ساسيو. Okay, Mr. Clara, what do you say about Harun?
هارون وتاجر سرعي
صح.
كلمات وصوصار أكثر تنيك من صومالي وش ذا ما وحليه
هاي.
فروس صعب keep going
Keep going, never give up.
وحليه أصحاب بدنا وحليه صومالي جوكته وتاجر سر
صح.
فروس كلها روس.
Okay, okay, come on. Okay, this is Mr. Clara. He lived in America before he come from South Africa. So today we are here in a little beach. Harun, brother, we so proud of you. You are the one and only, and I'm
Yes.
So you live in America, Texas. Brother, keep going, never give up. So we can't wait your first movie, you know. Yeah, bro. Keep going. Okay. Okay, now we have another guys, you guys. So we still support Harun lives in America, Texas. Harun never mind. Toro واي This is Tiger from Somalia. He supports you, he likes you. He can't watch your movies. بالمنطقة صار brother produce سميسو بالدرجة سميسو cameraman everything. تكلكي brother Somalia وأمي شنتاي هارون ساسيو. نبت جليو. عليدين. يا كمان نقول أنا كوالا كل كوا. كنا حكا يا مان. maanta waxa waaye waa loo kala santahay waa loo kala harin cabitaan la taas away cabitaan hadda maanta waduna waaye free waa taqdaamna qaybino free waa ka saafo kale hey